ARMA stands for Audit-Ready Management Accounting. If you're an executive of an organization that has need for answering questions of investors, and yet you need to be focused on your skill, science, engineering, whatever it may be, Audit-Ready Management Accounting removes the worry and the concern for satisfying the needs of your outside stakeholders, your investors. It will liberate you to be the best scientist you can be, or the best engineer you can be. And at the same time, gives you tremendous confidence that those other needs have been addressed by somebody else that's part of your team, that has a vested interest in being part of your team and keeping their role satisfied and effective and efficient. ARMA was designed to solve very unique problems of organizations within very specific time frames. We will design the appropriate common internal accounting control structure with checks and balances, approvals, documentation, authority to make decisions from people that haven't been part of the organization in the past, to keep the process rolling professionally. When we evaluate an application for fit, we go through a phase of discovering what's been done to date. It's important for us to understand who the executives are, what their backgrounds are, what they've been doing so far to get the organization to from where it started to where it is. And then we begin to explore where our team fits in. And we begin to redesign that company's organizational chart to understand, so that everyone understands who has the authority to conduct certain transactions, who will take certain responsibilities, and how things will change in the new environment under ARMA. In a full-blown accounting staff, a developed accounting department, you would have multiple positions with unique skills at different levels of expense, from perhaps an accounting clerk to a chief financial officer, that would be fixed overhead and committed to that organization. ARMA allows for the same level of skill sets, but only when needed, and only at a level that's needed, and allows for much greater agility or nimbleness to suit the needs of that particular organization. ARMA is entirely customized to that fit. That's why we take so much time and energy in the evaluation phase, so we can learn what the needs really are, and we can develop the protocol, the skill set. We can identify who the people are that are needed for our team to uniquely address the very specific questions of that organization. If you have an internet connection, your location and the people that you need to communicate with really eliminates the concern for proximity, geography, time zones. You always have access to your records. Your records are my records and vice versa. We're all part of the same team. So as we learn what it is you need, we build that need into our new protocol. Audit-Ready Management Accounting exists specifically to eliminate worry and uncertainty. It's designed to liberate business executives with a very unique skill from being distracted with the mundane processes of business operations and administration. If you're uncertain, if you're on the fence, we need to answer those questions, and perhaps the best way to do that is through candid conversations with the rest of the executive team. My guess is that everyone on the team has the same concern and just needs that little bit of assurance that this is the best solution for them.